Hi, this is Raksha from Team Calilio.
Here is how you can record calls using Calilio. First, from the dashboard, go to Number Settings. For that, click on the drop-down arrow beside Numbers, then click on the three dots menu and hit Number Settings. Here, toggle on the Auto Record Calls button if it's not already toggled on. After that, simply go to the call box by clicking on the number you want to record calls of. And this is where you can listen to the call recordings of a conversation you had with a client. Just click on the icon of the triangle that is encircled. You can also download this recording via this icon. You can also download this recording by clicking on this icon. This is how you record and listen to calls to maximize efficiency and business communication. Thanks for watching.